Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and this is the perfect 2024 planner.
Eccolo has made the perfect spiral planner for the entire year. I love how it comes with 6 sheets of stickers. I love using stickers in my planner, and these are all super cute. I love how every month has a different inspiring quote on the front and back of the tabbed pages, and how every week also has some motivational, inspiring things on every page. This is the perfect way to stay super organized. You can have the monthly planner as well as plan out things weekly. And I love how it has the sum up page on the front of every single month. I am really picky about my planners, and I am a huge fan of this one. I think it is the perfect way to stay organized. It is super beautiful, and I am such a big fan. I think I'm going to be getting this one every single year.
So keep all of your plans straight in 2024 with this beautiful planner. I think you're going to love it, and that's my point of view.